I am disappointed in faith in God. What should I do? It's natural to experience moments of disappointment in our faith. Life's challenges, unanswered prayers, or unexpected events can shake our belief in God's presence and goodness. However, it's important to remember that disappointment doesn't have to be the end of our faith journey. It can be a starting point for growth and transformation. Acknowledge and explore your feelings of disappointment. Take the time to reflect on what specifically has caused you to feel this way. Is it a personal struggle, a loss, or a theological question? Understanding the source of your disappointment can help you address it more effectively. Seek support and guidance from a trusted spiritual mentor or counselor. Share your concerns and doubts with someone who can provide a listening ear and offer insights from their own experiences. Their perspective may help you gain new insights and perspectives on your faith journey. Engage in honest and open dialogue with God. Express your frustrations, doubts, and disappointments in prayer. God welcomes our raw and authentic emotions. By sharing our concerns with Him, we invite Him to work in our hearts and bring healing and clarity. Dive deeper into your faith through study and reflection. Explore the rich tradition, teachings, and wisdom of your faith. Read spiritual literature, study sacred texts, and engage in theological discussions. Seek to deepen your understanding of God and His ways. Connect with a faith community or support group. Surround yourself with individuals who share your faith or have experienced similar doubts and disappointments. Their stories and shared experiences can provide encouragement, empathy, and inspiration. Embrace doubt as an invitation to seek answers and a deeper relationship with God. Instead of viewing doubt as a threat to your faith, see it as an opportunity for growth and exploration. Ask challenging questions, seek answers through research and contemplation, and be open to new insights and perspectives. Engage in spiritual practices that nurture your soul. Explore different forms of prayer, meditation, and worship. Find practices that resonate with you and create space for connection with the divine. Allow these practices to nourish your spirit and create moments of encounter with God. Practice gratitude and seek out moments of awe and wonder. Take time to appreciate the beauty of nature, the kindness of others, and the blessings in your life. Cultivating a grateful heart can shift your focus from disappointment to the abundance of God's grace. Finally, be patient and gentle with yourself. Rediscovering faith is a journey that takes time. Allow yourself space to wrestle with doubts, to question, and to seek. Trust that God is present in the midst of your doubts and disappointments, patiently waiting to reveal Himself to you in new and meaningful ways. In conclusion, feeling disappointed in our faith is a common experience, but it doesn't have to be the end of our spiritual journey. By acknowledging our disappointment, seeking support, engaging in honest dialogue with God, deepening our understanding, connecting with a community, embracing doubt, nurturing our souls, practicing gratitude, and being patient, we can rediscover our faith and experience a renewed sense of connection with God.